Hi children, good morning. I am Adhanarayana. Now I am going to discuss with you about oxygen is produced during photosynthesis in the presence of light. This is called as hydrogen experiment. Because in this experiment we used water plants like hydrilla or elodia. We have to learn some steps of any activity or experiment. Those are aim, required materials, procedure, observation, test for gas, finally conclusion. What is the aim of this experiment? See, to prove that green plants release oxygen when we expose to light. Required materials: beaker with water. This is beaker containing water. Test tube. This is a test tube. Funnel. This is a funnel. Short stem funnel. Hydrilla plant. These are branches of hydrilla plant or elodia plant. These two are water plants. Finally, beaker. These are required materials. What is the procedure? See, place some water plant like elodia in a short stemmed funnel. This is funnel. We have to place branches of hydrilla plant. Then water in the beaker. This is the beaker containing water. Then inverted test tube full of water over the stem of funnel. This is the test tube. Inverted test tube over the short stem of funnel. Next, ensure that the level of water in the beaker is above the level of stem of the inverted funnel. The level of the water in the beaker is above that. The level of water in the short stem of funnel. This is. Next one. Place the apparatus in the sun for at least 2 to 3 hours. This entire experiment we have to do under sunlight. This is a procedure. Next, observation. We would see that in the place of water there is air that fills in. It is actually gas that collected in the test tube. When we keep this experiment under sunlight, here hydrilla plants perform photosynthesis process. During photosynthesis process, small air bubbles are released. These air bubbles are reaching to the end of the test tube. Then we observe the layer of water will decrease in the test tube because water molecules are released by hydrilla plants. During the photosynthesis process, oxygen will be releasing. Those are called as here small bubbles are releasing at the end of the test tube. These are gas bubbles. Test for gas. Test the gas in the test tube by inserting a glowing matchstick which would burst into flames. This shows the presence of oxygen. Next, finally conclusion. By this experiment, we can prove that green plants release oxygen when we expose to light. Sunlight is necessary. In the presence of sunlight, oxygen will release. There is no sunlight, there is no release of oxygen. So this is the experimentation of oxygen is produced during the photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight. This is a hydrilla experiment. We use water plants like hydrilla or elodea. Okay, thank you.